So I returned to Louisville, packed up my camper, and picked up brother Dave. And together, we hit the road. With the property too muddy for the camper, we rented a spot at a nearby RV park. All right, so we're going to come off this road here. There's a utility easement that runs right through here. We're going to go right back down over here where this little black dot is. And that's where we're going to be working, but the property goes way on back here. It's got a valley through here, pond right there. Eventually we'll plant wildflowers all down through here. All right, so we'll come up through here and go down through here and start clearing that out. And eventually we'll get around this ridge right here and back around here and put maybe 1 or 2 more cabins. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Now, a few days earlier, I'd spotted a poster for a backhoe operator, and that's how I met Roger. Roger on that backhoe, he's handier than a pocket on a shirt. While Dave and I were cutting down trees, Roger was digging up stumps. And just as I was pondering our next tree taming move, like a magical oversized elf, Larry appears out of nowhere and just starts cutting. This tree was dangerous. The storm had come through and split it in half. We couldn't leave it. We had to take it down, or else if it fell further, it could kill somebody.
Hey, watch it. Oh man, that was close. Yeah. There you go, I got that.
Right after we took that big tree down, Larry went right back to cutting. And after a few days of cutting and digging and piling up brush, we decided it was a good time to build a fire and just relax. And just like that, there she was. She was checking me out. I didn't want to make any sudden moves and scare her off at all. So I just let her get comfortable and do her thing. As she laid next to that big old fire, she let one rip. And that's when I knew she was my dog.